Very good. Well. Oh. Hola.
Could you include it?
Oh, right, very good morning. The dog's knackered. She ain't gonna come. We're at the garage. We're on our way down to Bognor. Sat nav's just gone off because in Eshin garage you don't get no bloody reception. And yeah, see what we can find. We have no real target in mind, to be honest, but I'm sure we'll find somewhere to blag into. Come on them wing flaps. Righty-ho, we have arrived down in Bognor and I've just driven through the high street, and as usual I am not massively in some massive hope, should we say. So let's go and have a look around, eh? Right, so first stop, I really fancy an English breakfast. I thought, where better than down the coast. It don't look gourmet, I'll say. Bit of red rockinolls. Let's have a look. Cool. Right. Okay, beans are nice. Eating our wing flap. Very good. Well, got them. Have a look. £8. Cup of tea. Sweet. That was very nice. Very good value as well. Thank you very much. Oh, that was really nice, actually. If you want to know where I was at Rick's Cafe, even though it was a mall. It is literally dead as a door now. It's Sunday, the sun's out, it's a seaside town. You'd think that there would be a few people about. I'm basically in like the main high street. Dead as a doornail, bruv. Bulgarian shops and Iceland. That's when you know it's a shithole. It's one thing with Lidl and Aldi. We got flipping Iceland down here. Yeah, I don't really know where I'm heading, honestly. I think the sea is over that way. Let's have a look. They're having a fucking laugh, aren't they? Get a job, you can't. So I've just, this is like the main high street. I just went in the JD over there. Looks like all the shit they can't sell in all the other stores they've just put down in one store. If I'm totally honest, all there is like taxi ranks and shops that I don't know who uses. Like there's a woolen clothes shop up there and tattoos. They love a tattoo thing down here, don't they? They love a tattoo place. There's one on every street corner, boy. And fancy dress. I mean, who is coming down Bognor for their fancy dress? And who down Bognor is having a fancy dress party? At the minute, I can't see who. The only ones that are dressed up in fucking fancy dress are the lunatics that are walking around. Crackheads. Well, that's one good thing. I can smell water or salty water. So, there we go, look. Proper wing flaps down here, man. I can smell that salty water, you know, like it smells on holiday. Which is nice, but apart from that, yeah, I don't know what's going on down there. Just walked out to this platform, we've got an ice cream shop. A little literally, I mean, I see a kid's playground here, but I cannot honestly, there's not even like one tourist thing. There's not even like, I don't know, it's not even like a mini golf course or something. Oh, hang on, we've got, oh hello, they got, someone's put out an inflatable. It's about the best thing I've seen down here so far. We're at the sea, which looks quite nice to be fair. I'm literally in shock, I'm not gonna lie to you. What is that? Like, what even is that? I don't even know what we're gonna do here, bruv. I feel bad to flag anyone down here, bruv. Then God, fuck all, bruv. I'm proper baffled, bruv. Even the tractors have gave up down here. The birds are sleeping. They just left the tractor like, who cares? No one will care. Just leave it there. You don't want to scrap it? Nah. Just fucking leave it there, mate. Fuck it. What a shithole. We're just gonna... There's a whole pier there, and by the sounds of it, all they do is fish and chips and a bit of cake and coffee. We're gonna go and have a look. There's all fishermen up there. Fuck me, bro. This is bad. I am depressed looking at it. Fucking rotten, boy. Fucking rotten. Fucking hell. Wow. I have to skim some stones. What else to do? Oi! Let me that boat! Come pick me up, you little! It's fuck all to do here! Oh. Fuck going in now. There's those people in there, bro. Fuck that. I'm alright for that, thanks. Sports bar. God, mate, it's like a place time forgot, bro. It's like a place time forgot. Proper. At least, there is. I don't know if that's good or not, but we've got fucking Jesus. Wow. Yeah, just a load of crap fruit machines and that, really. Well, there's actually a fruit machine there, actually. Fair enough. Very easy enough. I'm finding where to put the cameras all Cinderella. Hey, look. Oh. They've got fruit machines here, these shabby ones, though. Oh, they got a few fruit machines, but again, it's just a rinse here, isn't it? Wow. Wow. What a shithole. So, well, since there's nothing else to do down here, I'm going to have a little gamble. How much are we going to do? Right, we've got £10 coins. £10 coins. Oh, we've got to go in fortunes a bit, haven't we? Look at this bit. Let's have a look. Bro, I don't even know how to play these things. Look at the old time fruit machines. Oh, fuck. What do you even do, man? Bro. Hey, put 10, I've just got 10 coins. And now, oh my God, we can't even put £1 in the machine, man. What is going on here? Are you actually joking? No, hang on. Right, 500 quid. Jackpot. Alright, let's play this one then. Oh, careful, calm down. Right, what's going on then? We've got pounds in there then. Yeah. Let's stick a nigger in. What's going on? Right, what do I do? Hang on, start. What's that? Base bet, 50p. Oh. 50p bet, eh? I only get one touch. What's going on? Game over, place your bet. Are you having a... There, bruv. Flipping hell. Well, that was done. Right. No, I don't really know what I'm doing, if I'm honest. Help me. They got me on this. I'm like, fuck off, I ain't putting £50 in a fruit machine. You're laughing, yeah? Hang on, I've got a pound. I've changed up a tenner, that's all you're getting, bro. Alright. Fuck it, well, we're all going one on that. Oh, this is impossible. How am I meant to... It's impossible. Oh. It's a pucker bike. I don't know if it's called a bike, but that's really nice. It's the best thing I've seen since I've been down here. Can't jump on me, huh? Huh? Jump on? For a little video, go on, down the road.
Where you going?
I was only going to walk down to Butlins. I'll put you on my YouTube. Can I jump on? Are you serious? Yeah. Let me get rid of my cigarette. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Is what is life.
Thank you so much, my friend.
Harrison's brilliant All Things Must Pass.
Voila.
Please, could you include it on the show? This is such an incredible song. If you can get away with turning this up, this is a very, very good idea. George wrote it originally for Billy Preston, but George's version is something else. Produced, of course, by Phil Spector.
Voila. Oh, this is brilliant. Thanks, bro. Off a fruit machine straight in here. Sorry, I'm talking to me camera. Sorry, pal. Thank you so much for this. Brilliant little bike. Heading off down to Butlins. Is that me off?
Yeah, no.
Is that for me? Lovely. Oh, great. Lovely. Thank you very much, mate. I've never actually been on one of them before. You made me day. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Cheers, pal. Thank you. Oh, straight out of the fruit machine and blagged straight on a bike, boy. What do you think I can't blag? Right, we have just ended up at Butlins. God knows how we come down here. Let's see if we can sneak on the stage or something, eh? Quality. So you got visit day pass. We've got security right there. But looks like it was comfortable enough. And we are in. Sweet as a nut. Wow. Even online, apart from arts and crafts, that's all it says is Butlins down there. That's where I was at. I think I was going to pay for the day, but as you know on this channel, we don't do much paying for stuff. We do blagging for stuff. We just set. Oh, hey! He's having a laugh.
Let's go, boy! Hey, I'm going my scooter.
Yeah, go on.
This is alright. Got my pants in it and everything, so don't nick it.
I won't do. How do you do it?
I bought this in Vegas.
Yeah. What do I do? Just push the button?
It's a bit like riding a scooter,
Yeah. Look at that, bro.
Go!
Fucking wallet. Wallet breaking me neck. Wallet.
Fucking wallet!
Wallet. There we go. Nigel Mansell. Oh, alright, I'm scared. Let's give back to him. I don't know, this shit just comes to me, bro. I don't know how it's happened. Honestly, just walk past and I'm riding a scooter. Just case. Thank you very much. I've always wanted to buy one of them, thank you.
Right, 300 quid it's yours.
300 quid, that's cheap. Seems cheap, doesn't it? Yeah, good, isn't it?
Imagine in the airport.
Save on a taxi, I'm thinking. Wow. The stage is set. It certainly is, my friend. And once again, we have a load of milk trays. Stick some of your UC money in here. You're gonna get a few mums down here, though, ain't you? Hey, hey! Hot shot. Monopoly. Oh, there's the stage. They've got a Devil Hollywood sign. Oh no. football shit. Whoa. Moo. Moo. Quality. What is that? Now he's got his feet, he forgot saying where he's been bumping on stuff. Yeah. There we go. Starting to get fun a bit, isn't it? What's going on there? Let's go and see that stage, you little. I reckon I can get on that stage, bro. I reckon I'll get on that stage. Oh, what's this? Bowling that. I mean, it's alright. It's improved to what it used to be. What's this then? DJ Spooning. Centre stage. What's in here? What's not? We're gonna get ourselves pinched just bopping about in places and that. No smoking and vaping. In the stage. Yeah, I'm gonna wind up on yeah, I definitely won't end up just bop in there. I'm definitely gonna wind up on like watch out for him places and that. Oh. Oh, centre stage, it seems like it's my area, doesn't it? Right, I'm not going to take the proper piss and start pouring drinks out now and then I'm getting chawed. Right, now I've got to keep the camera on just simply in case I do get caught and there'll be funny content. Just fruities and... So what happens then? They have a nightclub, all the kids go over and play there while the mums are dancing around the band rags. They go for the show. Straight in front of them. Wallet. Oyster Bay, let's go and see what that is. What is going on here, bruv? What the fuck? We just bopped into some people's holiday. What is going on, bruv? It's like a conga boy. It's like a conga. What the fuck is going on here? They're probably enjoying their best life, you know? There's definitely got to be something, bruv. All like the couple singles come down on that. Brother Monday! They've all been Kempton Market and all. Makes you miss old times. That's how we used to holiday when we was a kid. Butlins, Chelsea, all these little places, gallon of fruit machines. Trying to pull the birds from all the other places. Do you know what I mean? It was before they... Well, say when they broke the families up, surely you got to have a bit of sense to realise that you're a complete wing flap. And yeah, I think we all should do a little bit more effort in keeping families together and doing a few things like that on a serious note. Well, it's a little bit chavvy and that, but you and all the family would have a nice time in there. I would, I'm telling you. Peace.